Want to know how to change your emojis tone in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple. So let's get straight to it. Now, changing your emojis tone in Messenger is super simple. So right here, once you open up your Messenger, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing menu right here. So you can just simply select it. And now once you have selected menu, right below your name, you should be seeing something known as the settings. So just simply select settings right here. And now once you have selected settings, you can just simply scroll down until you see photos and media. That should be right below memory or data saver. So you can just simply select it. And now once you have selected it, right below you should be seeing emoji. Select emoji and now you can just simply change the tone accordingly. So you can just change it as you want, just like this right here. And you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.